Hey everyone, welcome back to Ironics.ai. Today we are going to explore something truly exciting, how you can build a complete website using Replit AI agent for free. Yes, you heard it right, no coding required, just an AI powered agent doing all the heavy lifting for us. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional website built in just few clicks. So let's dive straight in. So first of all, open your browser and search for Replit AI agent on Google by just typing Replit AI agent. Cool. So now click on the first link, which will take us to the Replit official website, like that. So here we are on Replit's homepage. For those who are not familiar with Replit before, Replit is a powerful online coding platform that allows developers to create application in cloud. It supports multiple programming languages and even offers an AI-powered agent that can generate complete application based on simple prompts. So if I click on this particular drop down, I'll be getting the features of Replit. It offers multiplayer collaboration. It means you can code with your team in real time. It also offers AI assistance. It means AI can generate, debug, and improve the code. It also offers cloud-based development. No need to install anything, just code in your browser. So to get started, you need to log in into Replit dashboard by just clicking on the login. Add your credentials accordingly. You will be there on the Replit dashboard. Now we are inside the Replit dashboard. Let me give you the quick overview of the UI. On the left sidebar, we have this particular create app button where we can start a new project. Here we have things like home apps, deployment, usage. If you want to create a team, as I said, you can click on this one. So on the top bar, we have different settings and AI assistant options, we can say. Here we have our starter plan. Replit allows us to create 3 free apps, but if you need more, you can upgrade to Replit Core for additional features. So now let's click on the create app button over here and use the AI agent to generate a complete website for our company, Ironics.ai. So this is where a real magic happens. Replit's AI can generate complete functional application just from a single prompt. But to get the results better, we need to craft a well-structured prompt. So here's the prompt I'll be using to build fully functional AI company website with login logout features. Here is the prompt. Create a fully functional responsive website for our AI company Ironics.ai. The website should include the following pages: home, about us, services, blog, contact. It should have a modern professional UI with a smooth animation and dark theme. Implement a user authentication system with a login and logout button using Firebase authentication. I'm clicking on the start building button and let's see the magic behind it. It's working. It's thinking. Now let's see how the AI agent starts working. So I'm clicking on this particular button. As you can see on the right side, the agent is working and it is designing my application. So while the AI is generating our website, let's talk about the power of agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to AI system that can autonomously perform tasks, learn from interaction, perform and make intelligent decisions. As the AI agent is coding, it is not just blindly following the instruction, it is making smart decision about the best framework to use, how to structure the website, how to implement authentication properly. As you can see, here I have my nav bar with home, about us, services, blog, contact. As I've mentioned in my prompt that I want dark themes, so as you can see, I have black color over here. It's working. So as you can see, we also have login and sign up button over here. So it is giving me the random information regarding Ironics.ai, which I can change, or I can also provide all these information on the prompt itself. I can change all these images. I can change the name of the CEO and CTO in this particular company accordingly. machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision. As I've mentioned only that I want to create a website for a company having name iNeuronics.ai. It is automatically detecting what all services AI companies will provide. Robotic process automation, business intelligence, AI consulting. Amazing. We can also change the logo for iNeuronics.ai. So as you can see, I've written the well-structured prompt and I'm sitting on my chair. The website is getting generated automatically. Get in touch. This is like a footer, I believe. Now, as you can see on the left side, creating client source lib firebase.ts. It is automatically creating the files for me, like app.tsx for writing the, I think, TypeScript. For navbar, we have a different file in this particular components folder. It means it is automatically creating all the file structure for me as well. Now it is installing the dependencies. Now it's asking for my feedback. It's saying that I want a Firebase API key, Firebase app ID and project ID. So I'm adding any random value over here. So I'm clicking on continue. So I've given my feedback. Now it's working again. Now it is taking the screenshot. It's saying that is everything loading correctly. Can you see the login sign up buttons in the navigation menu? Feel free to click around and explore the site. This is a website generated by Replit AI agent. As you can see, proper animations. Amazing. So now I'm clicking on about us. As you can see, this is the about us page. Whenever I'll click on services, I'll be getting this particular page. For blogs, this page. For contact, we have this particular page. So for example, I'm clicking on login. So I'll be getting the login button over here properly. I can also create a new account. Now agent is asking for my feedback. So I'm saying that everything is working fine. As you can see, the website is fully responsive. Amazing. You can also click on this particular deploy button, but we may need a pro version of Replit AI agent for the deployment purpose. So, and there we have it, a fully functional AI website built in minutes using Replit AI agent. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and try building your own website for free using Replit AI agent. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.